Well, hello out there. It's Mrs. Kohli. I hope you're having a great day. Today I wanted to invite you into our classroom and watch us and maybe learn from us as we explore as a class the culture of the Native Americans. And I thought we would highlight 5 of those tribes that have significantly impacted where we live here in Utah. And I thought that you could see how we develop some lessons and have fun with this topic as we explore the traditions and the culture, the language, kind of the past and the present with these different tribes. I just think it's really important that we keep the Native American spirit alive, and the best way to do it is to teach that and honor these great individuals that truly were the founders of America. And if you use the McGraw Hill Wonders program, I will be highlighting and using the text from Unit 6, Weeks 1 and 2. They have fabulous text there that I will be having my students read, and then we're going to also be using literature from our school library, and I will be assisting them on the internet to find text that goes along with their tribe, and we are so excited about this. I hope you're excited too. Well, my students are coming, and I'll check back with you in a little while. Hope you have fun. Bye-bye. Today in our class, we're going to be talking about a particular tribe, and it's called what is it?
Ojibwe.
By the way, this is Brighton. She's helped us before. Do you like learning about different tribes and different languages?
Yeah.
Good. So maybe I'll come over here and take a look at your book that you've got and what you've been learning about at school. Tell me a little bit about this tribe that you're learning about the Ojibwe tribe. Did their language survive, even though they were relocated?
Yeah.
And are you learning their language today?
Yeah. Right here.
Wonderful. Can you read to me which of those words is your favorite word from their language?
Aya?
What does Aya mean?
Yes.
Wonderful. What's maybe another one that you like that you think you might use?
Anin.
Class, Anin. What was that? What are you saying to me?
We're saying hello.
Oh, you're saying hello. What language is that we're speaking in?
Ojibwe.
What is it?
Ojibwe.
In Ojibwe. How did you know that Anin was hello?
It says it right.
Right there?
Yeah.
Oh, you're right. It's right here. Nice job, students. Students, I'm so proud of you. We had a great time today learning about the story about traditions. The essential question in our story is what? How do traditions connect people?
When the parents needed to talk, they told the kids to play the game of silence while they did.
Okay, so that was something passed down from generation to generation out of respect. The kids couldn't play on tablets or those kind of things. And so in that culture, children were taught to play the game of silence. Have any of you played a game similar to that? If we want to try to make a connection, let's see those thumbs up. What is a tradition at your family? So if your parents have to talk, what do you do?
I go into another room.
Do you play a game?
Yeah.
What game do you guys play?
Quiet game.
So you do play the quiet game when your parents talk? So you know what the quiet game is. Is it a lot like the one you read in the story?
Yeah.
So how do you play the quiet game?
Everybody has to be quiet, and then whoever talks first, they lose.
So you said that everybody has to be quiet. Whoever talks first loses in the quiet game. Wonderful. Thank you for sharing that. Oh, I forgot to mention one thing. You probably are wondering what our 5 tribes are. So Shoshone and Ute tribes make up our Plains culture in Utah, and then the Goshute, the Paiute, and the Navajo tribes make up the tribes that represent our desert culture. So I hope that you have as much fun as we do as we share this information with you. See you in a little bit. Bye-bye.
So we've been learning about different cultures that have existed throughout history as we're talking about the Native Americans. So the students right now, we just watched the PowerPoint presentation about the Native American timeline with the Powtoon. And I've got a student here and he is copying information off the board. And I thought it would be fun to ask him what he's enjoyed learning about the most. That you studied about the Anasazi?
Yeah,
So tell me about what you've learned. Last night you just happened to be studying about that on
Not
Get
last
Epic.
night.
What have you learned about the Anasazi civilization?
They did make a lot of pottery. So this book specifically talked about buildings they built on the sides of canyons.
Did they show you a lot of pictures too?
Yeah, a lot of pictures.
So right now, do you feel like that's the most interesting civilization that you've studied about thus far in Utah?
Yes.
Hello, Isabella again, and you've been learning a lot about ancient civilizations and also Native Americans that have lived not only in the Utah western states, but also we've been talking about some that lived kind of in the Midwestern states too, didn't we?
Yeah.
So what did you learn today that you thought was fascinating about our early civilizations here in the Utah, Idaho, Colorado, Arizona, and New Mexico area? What did we discover?
We discovered that all those 4 states are in one spot and have it in one spot. And we also found out that their ancestors are thought to be the Pueblo Indians.
Nice job with your note-taking and making timelines. And I'm over here. Girls, what can you tell me about what you've enjoyed learning about today?
I really like learning about history.
And why do you like learning about history?
It's really interesting to know what has been in the past and like history and stuff like that.
Okay. So we have the students starting to decide, and we always base it off of our team points over here. And so the team with the most points, we use Roman numerals. They get to decide who gets to choose which Native American tribe in the state of Utah that they want. And team 1, which one are you guys going with?
Shoshone.
Shoshone was chosen by team 1. And so team 2, which one are you guys going to go with? Goshute. And then team 3, have you guys decided on which Native American tribe you want to research?
Oh yeah,
You guys are like, totally, let's do the Utes.
Yeah, I love history so.
Oh, good. Team 4, I know they're over here having a discussion.
Paiute. Yeah, Paiute.
You guys are going to do the Paiutes?
Hello, we are Team 3 and we are doing the Ute tribe. We have our timeline, we have the book, and we have the internet that Mrs. Kohli is going to help us on.
Oh, and what are you boys and girls doing? You're making a poster?
Yes.
And it's going to be outside the classroom so everybody knows what tribe you're studying.
Mm-hmm.
And then you're going to make assignments, right? And someone gets to teach us the language, the traditions, the history from the past and the present. Awesome job, Team 3. Looking forward to hearing about the Ute tribe. Thanks, guys.
Yo 무슨 대신은 더
I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.